authors we always say สวัสดีครับ or สวัสดีค่ะ like this it's like a good morning good afternoon good evening even good night and farewell bye bye we also say สวัสดีครับ like this or สวัสดีค่ะ so before the tour start I would like everyone to try to say our Thai greeting word together but start with the man if you are the man you have to say สวัสดีครับ if you are girl female you have to say สวัสดีค่ะit's longer than the man okay so let's start with the man first are you ready how many man we have 1 2 3 4 okay the man has to say สวัสดีครับ ready 1 2 3
สวัสดีครับ
perfect now it's your turn female you have to say สวัสดีค่ะ are you ready 1 2 3
สวัสดีครับ
perfect now both of man and female together 1 2 3
สวัสดีครับ
perfect so start from now you can use our Thai greeting word to meet Thai people you need to say hi hello like if you are saying สวัสดีครับ or สวัสดีค่ะ when the foreigner can speak Thai right very quick as they if some foreigner go to your country and they can speak your language it look very cute right okay so you can greet Thai people by สวัสดีครับ or สวัสดีค่ะ okay and next let me introduce myself okay my name is Warut what is my name but most of the Thai people they always use the last test inside the boat and after that number 2 everyone number 2 we will go to the temple this temple named Bang Tung Temple Bang Tung Temple is the temple that is hidden by the root of banyan tree and in order to
Three.
where are they in the toilet okay so you sit here please
Yes.
okay where the camera 1 2 3 smile another pose beautiful okay perfect let's go
Let's go.
Buti nga hindi mo ba ako nung naman ng push kapin mo?
Ay, sasintan mo.
Ang sintang pitami mo. Tutok na. Ito ba yun? Ủa tại là không ngọt. Cái quan như nó. Swing okay? Hello.
Saglit daw ate.
Pwede yan.
Sensya ka. Sensya tayo.
Okay, what's the diba? Very good. Okay, ma, one more. Ma? No? Couple. Okay. Thank you.
Parang galit yung ano, thank you na. Yung pala yung mga kasama natin. Coconut ice cream. Hello. Hello, hello. Ayun o, bibili tayo. Oo. Sawadee ka. Yes, ice cream. Ay, ba't naganda rin? Maganda ng ice cream nila po. No, the ref magnet? Yes? How much? 400? Dito na lang, no? Mahal talaga dito. May discount. May discount rate.
Sabi nung lalaki.
Hello. Oh. Tumutulo. Bukas. Ulit. Sabi parang bigo niya.
Sige, rice.
Tayo vaccine na shirt.
Atur ka ulit sa Thailand.
Ito.
Isa yung pinakamalaki talaga.
No buy, no photo. Buti hindi sila inaalip ko nga rito. No buy, no photo. Sira ulo.
Oh, takbo.
Ano? Yun, sa babae mo yun eh. Yun, lalaki yun. Tatapos silang may hawak ko. Ano ba? Hindi ako magpapapicture sa kanya. Ay, wala. May picture na ako.
Khoai, khoai, Wawa. Wawa, Pipet, Wawa, Yambu.
Pre-taste? Oh, thank you, thank you.
Wawa, khoai
Pre-taste.
xì liếu mà lá thật chứ.
Pre-taste daw.
Yen, yen, khoai xì liếu. Khoai, khoai, khoai. Chết, chết, chết.
Oh, sweet ah. Ang sarap. Mahal ba yan?
Xì liếu mà lá thật chứ.
How much is?
Okay,
No, how much?
1 kilo 200, 1 kilo, 1 ticket, 1 people. Same Thailand. How much you get? How much? How much? 200, 150, same Thailand. How much? 100 last, okay.
I don't know. This guy.
100 last, okay.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, dito, dito. Okay, there, there.
anh đã cắm cẳng lắm rồi.
Ano? Wala na aso. Ang malaki yung nakalapag, no? Oo, ayun oh. Magkano yung photo nila? 600? Yun ba yung mga photo nila? Ang laki oh. Free photo basta may kagat. Masarap ka yan, di ba? Susaw mo lang. Taste.
Gusto mo yung boys?
Alay.
Sa balikat.
Ayoko. Uy. Sabihin mo kung pinangangagat ka. Friendly naman. Free picture daw ate. Basta isang kagat ang sila niya. Yeah. Traffic na.
Ito pa sa kabila.
Traffic.
Naipit na tayo, boys.
Nagkita na tayo.
Sakit na tayo. Dahil mo sa tao-tahan, meron kang bayan na. Okay, ha? Okay? Okay, you want? You want?
Pero ang galing mangyari ng pagmula, no? Para siyang ano? Para siyang ano ganito? Marami doon, mga ganyan. Try na ako. Bango. Ayoko. How much? 100 ba? Ayun pa yung mangga, oh. Nakakaano naman yung mga mangga. Tapang 50? Oh, ang sarap ng mga mangga nila, oh.
Same.
No discount?
No discount?
Malaki
Wow.
to. Malaki. 1 kilo.
Discount na.
Same.
Oh. Ang ganda naman ng damit ayun, pang sexy. Lalabas ang bilbil ko dyan. Mind. Natural sa namin.
Pwede pagitin mo na. Pagitin mo na.
Sabi mangga. Hindi ito maasin, sarap. Sarap daw.
Mahal lang pala.
Gabo ka na rin. Iba 45 minutes na ako. Kalo ko may ulo na oh. Ayan, yung mga ganyan damit oh. Yung mga ganyan damit.
Ganda nga mga marami yan sa Pratunam. Marami ganito raw.
Pagamitin mo, sige, pagdar mo na ito.
Papunta na rito. No.
Asking first, no need.
Pandesa na.
Dati niya.
Yes, just asking.
Tayo din nagkasama nun, di ba? Oo, ni Kunway. Oo.
Okay?
65.
Itong ganito ang mahal. Pati na tayo.
Hanap ko si Mano Boys.
Huwag naman, uy.
Meron ba dito?
Oo.
Dito sa mismo ano nila, tubig? Lalabas daw?
Lumalaki rin siya.
Apat na pala tayo nito.
Nakalibre siya.
Kala na tayo gasolina.
Kamusta naman ako? Makita na kami ng bayawak pa.
Sabay mo naman eh.
Kakakay na ako sa kanya.
Ay, mga panahari.
Nakakit ka na naman. Kaya na naman yung ako. Bawal. Oo, alam, napakarami ng bunga. Hindi tayo
Saan na? Nina.
parang uulan na.
Malas na yun yan pag nabutan.
Huwag naman.
Kaya nga. Pwede rin naman karera ng bangkano.
Nung kami na po, bilis.
The elephant. Okay. Why our Thai flag we have the elephant? Because before our king right hand side is the Burmese elephant and Burmese king. So if I let you guess who is the king, you know, the one, number one, number two, both of them on the back side, that is the soldier. You can see on the hand. So the king have to fight. So the king didn't sit on his chair, the king is the one who is on the elephant king. So this is represented the Siam and Burmese. Okay, and now our flag changed again. When we just opened the country, many foreigners came to Thailand, right? But foreigners, they speak English. Thai people, we don't understand. Only the royal family or the king who understand English. So when the foreigner asks anything, Thai people, we don't know how to keep. But I separate like this. 52% are female and 48% are male. So in Thailand, female is more than a male. And everyone, please look at the next pictures carefully. Inside the 48%, 5% be the lifetime monk, monk. Another 10% be the lady boy.
Mas marami.
So minus 5, minus 10, how much left? Only 33%. The Thai will remain only 33%. So I would like to tell you that if you have to travel with your husband, take care of him. If he gets lost, you cannot get the new one here. But if you come to travel with your girlfriend or wife, if she lost, let her go. You don't need to find her because you can get the new one if you Thailand. A lot of females here. But when you get the new one, you have to double check is she or he. Because Thailand, we have all the gender here, LGBTQ. That's why you have to check. And you know, if beautiful, lady boy. If ugly, female. Okay, and all the Thai men, you know, before have to be the soldiers, how we call military, right? For 2 years. But now, not everyone, just only some of them. So in this time, every April, day number 2 until 8, all the Thai men who are 21 years old on that year have to go to lucky draw between red color and black color. If you got the black color, don't need to be. But if you got the red color, congratulations. You have to be the soldier for 2 years. So this is some pictures of the lucky draw activity. Even you are the man, if